Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
Ayan. So it is the simplest form, okay, of modern cartridge where the priming mixture is placed in the cavity of the rim. Nandun na mismo sa rim, mga kaibigan. Nabanggit na natin yan kanina. So ano tawag natin sa cartridge na yung priming mixture niya nandun mismo sa rim? Okay, that is rim fire. Okay, pero kapag may pin na extending outward, diba? That is pin fire. Pero kung nasa gitna, okay, yung kanyang priming mixture, that is center fire. Alright? Okay, next. 7. The curved path of the bullet mainly caused by several factors. Okay? What is known as the deviation of a bullet's path from the original line of departure. So, sabi natin, anong tawag natin sa actual curved path na dinaanan ng bullet? Trajectory, di ba? So, mali yan. Okay? So, halimbawa, ito yung ating direction. Dito mo papupuntahin sana yung bullet. Yun nga lang, during flight, bigla siyang nag-deviate. When we say deviation, mga kaibigan, umalis siya sa normal. Okay? Nag-deviate siya, deviation of a bullet's path from its original line of departure. Umalis siya sa gusto mong puntahan. So, ibig sabihin, instead na straight, kumanan. Instead na straight, kumaliwa. Di ba? So anong daw tawag natin doon sa biglang pag-iba, okay, ng or pag-alis na ang bullet sa kanyang normal flight sana? Anong tawag natin doon? We call that the drift. Okay? We call that the drift. Okay, take note ha. Yeah. So the deviation of a bullet's path from the original line of departure, that is drift. Okay? Nakakasunod ba kayo? Susundan ba ako? Naintindihan nyo naman? Okay? So next, the motion responsible for the bouncing of the bullet in different directions. So alam na natin to, anong klaseng motion? So hindi niya tinatanong anong tawag sa pag-bounce, ano? Ang tinatanong niya, anong klaseng motion? Okay? We call that translational motion. Okay? Translational motion. Okay? Okay. Ayan, so, okay. He saw a cartridge whose rim is larger than the mouth of the cartridge. Okay? What do you call that cartridge found by him? Diba? So, mas malaki daw yung rim kaysa doon sa body or doon sa mouth. Anong tawag natin doon? We call that rim type. Okay, so nadali na natin yan, ano? Okay, so wala bang nalilito dyan? Okay, kuhang-kuha nyo na. Rebated, rimless, semi-rim, di ba? Belted. Okay? Sige. Okay. Ayan. So this provides solid support and absorbs the blow of the firing pin, causing friction that would initiate ignition. Okay? So ang sumasalo daw noong blow ay ito. Okay? Siya yung sumasalo ng pagtama ng firing pin. Okay? And because of that, nagkukos yun ng friction at yun yung i-ignite ng priming mixture. Okay? Ano yan? Is it the anvil? Is it the disc? Is it the cannelure? Or is it the crimp? Okay? Ano yan? Yan. So, na-discuss na natin, di ba? Yung cannelure ay yung crimp, yun yung pagkapit, okay, doon nung shell doon sa bullet. Okay? So yun yung crimp. Yung cannelure, mga kaibigan, yun yung kinakapitan ng crimp. Okay? Dahil nakaganon yung crimp sa dulo niya, okay? Yung groove na nandoon doon sa pinagkakapitan mismo ng crimp, okay? Ang tawag natin doon ay cannelure. Okay? So anong sagot dito? Yan, very good majority. That is anvil. Alright? That is anvil. Okay? Yan, take note ha. Yan. Okay. Tinanong pala sa board exam, no? So, the French word, okay, anong French word daw nang galing ang salitang paper? Okay? Anong French word nang galing ang salitang paper? French word daw siya na pinanggalingan ng salitang cartridge, which means paper. Okay? French word na pinanggalingan ng salitang cartridge. Okay? Na ang ibig sabihin ay paper. What is that? Okay? So that the term is cartouche. Okay? The term is cartouche. Yan. So maraming nagkamali diyan. Yung iba sinagot pa nila marami silang sinagot, 'di ba? Papyrus, 'di ba? Hindi po papyrus, that is the first paper. Okay? That is the first paper, no? But yung French word na pinanggalingan ng salitang cartridge, that is cartouche. Okay? Ano naman yung French na pinanggalingan ng salitang bullet? Okay? Which means a small ball. Okay? So that is bullet. Okay? Bullet. Ayan. So take note ha. Okay, yung mga words sa pinanggalingan nila. Bullet, which means a small ball. Cartouche, which means paper. Okay, doon nanggaling ang salitang cartridge. Okay? Ayan, so those are the terms. Okay, so sa base, rim, na-discuss na natin yan. Extracting groove, ito yung pinagkakapitan. So ito po yung crimp. Okay, nandiyan yung crimp, yung pagkapit niya doon sa bullet. Okay, so yung kinakapitan niya sa bullet naman, ang tawag naman natin doon ay cannelure. Okay, yun yung cannelure. And ayan, so this is your primer. Okay, this is the anvil. Okay, the primer packet. Yan, so yeah. So alam na natin yan. Shoulder, okay? Ayan, so sige. All right, any questions? Any questions? Okay, so nandito po yung ating extracting groove. Ano yung extracting groove? Iyan yung pinagkakapitan ng ating extractor. Okay? 'Di ba yung extractor yung nakaganon? So diyan siya kakapit dito sa ating extractor groove. Okay? Tapos ito yung ating flash hole at dahil iisa lang yung kanyang flash hole, anong klaseng flash hole 'yan? Boxer, 'di ba? Okay. And then tignan nyo, magkasing laki lang sila. So therefore, anong klaseng cartridge lang to? That is a rimless type. Okay? Rimless type. So tatandaan yan ha. So, alright. Okay, so vent, flash hole, gunpowder. Okay.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!